Myth or fact? The things that we often use this can trigger the arrival of cancer. We certainly never to get a chain message in a chat application or social media that says that. Some objects that we often use these days can trigger the arrival of cancer. Actually, whether the contents of the chain message is true, dye hair triggers cancer. Often wear hair dye touted can trigger breast cancer. However, according to research conducted by the IARC Working Group, mentioned that the use of hair dye, as long as it is not done often, will not trigger the arrival of cancer. In this study, it was mentioned that if the hair dye produced after the 1980s was safer to use for humans, often eating sausages and other processed meats can trigger cancer. Although tasty, many people believe that processed meats such as sausages, nuggets, corned beef, etc. can trigger cancer if it is often consumed. WHO mentioned that this is true. It's good we choose fresh meat from other animals, especially white meat from poultry or fish that is safer to eat. Burned meat can trigger cancer. Often consuming roast beef, especially the burnt part mentioned, can trigger cancer. This is true, precisely in triggering colon cancer. It's good we do not often consume burned meat. Microwaves trigger cancer. Cancer Council from Australia mentioned that as long as it is used in accordance with the correct instructions, then the microwave will not harm the body's health or damage the nutrients from food. MSG causes cancer. MSG, or monosodium glutamate, mentioned can trigger cancer if we often add to the food we consume. Cancer Council says that MSG is not carcinogenic or cancerous. However, these foods are high in salt content, so we should not often consume. Alcoholic beverages cause cancer. The NHS Health Agency from Britain says that consuming alcohols up to 80 milliliters each week can increase the risk of cancer. Wi-Fi router. Many people are worried about using a Wi-Fi router at home because it can lead to cancer. National Cancer Institute of the United States mentioned that the radio waves from the Wi-Fi router in our homes are so low that it is not able to trigger cancer.